I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make an onion and vegetable dip. Now for this dip, I've roasted all the vegetables ahead of time. When you roast a vegetable, when you roast anything, you concentrate its flavor because you cook the moisture out of it. So I tossed the onions with some olive oil, and then I also tossed a yam, a carrot, and some fennel with olive oil as well. I salted them. I put them in the oven for about 25 minutes at 375 until they got nice and soft and kind of brown on the outside. And I also roasted some garlic cloves. So I rubbed them with olive oil on the outside, and you know they're ready when they turn about the texture of toothpaste, so that you can kind of squeeze the pulp out of them. So I'm going to put the garlic in the food processor, some roasted onions in the food processor, some roasted yam, roasted carrots, and roasted fennel. I'm going to put in a little bit of olive oil just to make them process smoothly, otherwise it just gets really chunky. So making a paste, it's not an absolutely smooth paste, but it's reasonably pasty. I'm going to use some yogurt. The reason I didn't put the yogurt in the food processor with the other vegetables is because it'll make it way too liquidy. It breaks it down in a way that just doesn't really work for a dip. So I'm going to take the onions and roasted vegetables, mix them with the yogurt, add some salt, and also some seasoning salt. This one has some rosemary, some lemon peel, but really, you know, anything with a little something extra is going to work nicely in this. And there you have an onion and vegetable dip.